Hello friends, welcome back to my other episode. Today we are going to discuss about the migraine headache. The main causative factor is changes in the brain activities, especially the trigeminal nerve gets the overactivation on the head and face also causes the migraine headache. So there are the other causative factors or agents we call as a stress, anxiety, and the eating patterns, improper diet, and the people who consume lot of acidic food than the alkaline, and skipping of the food, and constipation and menstruation disorders like hormonal changes and climatic changes, and changes in the sleeping timings, and also hereditary disorders also leads to migraine headaches. So there are the few tips I would like to show you through the relaxation techniques by using the acupressure points. The first point to be activated on the temples of the head region, especially midway between the ears and then outer end of the eyebrow, the point called as a thigh yang, that point to be activated in the small circular motion bilaterally. If the pain is happening only on the right side, you just activate that right point thigh yang, or if it is affected on the left side, if you can use it bilaterally, there is no harm. You just activate this the outer end of the eyebrow. So next 1 inch outer from the outer end of the eyebrow, the point is located. This point is slightly tender point. You just activate the circular motion for a minute. So this point to be activated morning 1 minute and evening 1 minute to be continue for 40 days. The second point is the most important point. So this is the wrist crease. From here, 2 inches above from the wrist crease, there is a two tendons. In between the tendon, the point is located pericardium 6. So this point to be activated in the circular motion for few minutes. Since this point is very good point to treat for all the psychological disorders, mind related disorders, abdominal related disorders, people who get acidity and gastritis, abdominal bloating, that also reflects the headache. Even to treat for that condition, this point to be activated continuously for a minute morning. The third point is most important point. That point is located on the thumb. You just erect your thumb and place your fingers just on the upper side of the thumb and behind the nail. You just press it and hold it for a few seconds and then release. Again you just press in this direction and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Press it gently and then release this point. The next point is you just change the thumb position and then press on the side of the thumb and hold it for few seconds and then release the point. Again you just hold on the side of the thumb. So this should be in the same direction is more applicable, since this point is corresponding to your brain, also your head, that releases these certain hormones called as a happy hormones like serotonin, endorphin, and then oxytocin. So this point is more abundantly good to treat for all the migraine related disorders, since this point is activating to liver system also is major role. Fourth point is most important point is you just place your hand on the scalp region. That means place your fingers on the scalp and then thumb you just bring down below the bone called as a mastoid bone process. Under this bone, you can find the tenderness on the line of the posterior hairline. You just place it and then firmly give pressure in the clockwise direction for a minute and then anti-clockwise direction for a minute. So this point is very good. Various disorders, especially for the migraine, where the muscles get rigidity on the back that impacts on the front side of the eye system, and also the occipital nerve and then occipital artery also it promotes, and majorly that SCM muscles will release in our body in order to regulate the blood flow on the posterior side of the head also. Yeah, that's it for today, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video.